Hi, my name is Michael Townsend, and I'm the president and co-founder of Hemptown Organics. As you can see, we farm hemp, quite a bit of it, as a matter of fact. This hemp is what they call feminized hemp, which is effectively the cannabis plant where the THC has been breeded out of the plant. So these plants currently yield about 12.5% CBD and less than 0.3% THC. Investment highlights: this year, 2018, we farmed 110 acres and we yielded approximately 140,000 pounds of dried hemp. Next year, we plan on doubling the size of the farm and farming 300 acres. Sorry? Click. Oh, flagship assets. Yeah, so we have a farm in the Emerald Triangle of Southern Oregon. It's a 300 acre farm, 40,000 square foot facility. The people that are doing the farming have done an excellent job for us so far. We had a very bountiful crop this year. The genetics that we have are some of the best in the business. They're acquired through Oregon CBD seeds. The Crawford brothers, they're known to produce some of the best seeds in the business. We've hired the lawyers in California. We're planning on making our applications to grow hemp in California as soon as the regs are available. The plant that we're processing is currently producing a full spectrum oil, which is the best oil as far as we're concerned. Best in class management, I hope that's true. We do have a number of seasoned managers, including myself, that's been doing this for about 25 years, mostly on the finance side. We believe that cannabinoids, and I think everyone else seems to believe that cannabinoids are a significant opportunity. The market is projected to be $22 billion by 2022. Push the button. As you all know, the Farm Bill has just been legalized, and hemp is now legal at the federal level in the United States, which we believe is an enormous opportunity because you're allowed banking now. There's no taxes on hemp. There's crop insurance. You can borrow money at subsidized prices. So it's now considered an agricultural commodity. Speaking of commodities, I guess a lot of people think that there is a lot of hemp growing on, and that CBD market could be pressurized. Next year, we're planting a CBG predominant plant, and CBG is an up-and-coming cannabinoid. It currently trades at about 5 times the value of CBD, $30,000 a kilogram. Entirely new industry, big opportunity. A number of other cannabinoids in the pipeline: CBG, as I mentioned, cannabigerol, CBN, THCV. We believe that we're on a cannabinoid train, and there's a lot more cannabinoids coming from these plants. Current market costs for CBG, as I already mentioned, are upwards of $30,000 a kilogram. Revenue drivers. We're currently in the process of raising a $15 million Series A round, and the use of proceeds will be to purchase $2 million worth of in-house extraction equipment from Deutsche Processing. We believe we need to bring the processing to the farm to avoid the costs of hauling it, and also increase productions at our farm. Demand for other cannabinoids such as CBG are increasing, but producers are very limited. Hemptown has exclusive rights to 1 million rare CBG seeds. The Crawford brothers are only producing 5 million seeds this year. We have 20%, and they will sell no more than 20% to any one party. There it is again. The CBD seeds that the Crawfords are producing, and if they're planted in Oregon, where they're from and where they should be planted, for maximum yields of 15 to 20%. These same seeds do not yield as much in other states. Maintaining market leadership will rely on proprietary genetics. This is what we believe to be true because we do see commodity price pressure coming on some of the other CBDs. Harvest revenue, in our 2018 harvest, we believe will yield us approximately $8.25 million to $12 million. We've already sold $1.2 million worth of hemp this month. The variations are based on the commodity prices that we're holding on to. We have about $6 million worth of hemp in dry storage right now, and the commodity prices move up through the spring and the summer. We're also going to process some of that hemp ourselves into oil and therefore add value. So there's why the swing in the revenue. 2019 crop will be on the 300 acres. We expect to produce 500,000 pounds of CBG-rich hemp, and the revenues, as you can see, $60 to $180 million potential revenue. Again, use of proceeds, farm expansion. Colorado, we're currently involved in a joint venture there where we're going to have to contribute several $1 million worth of seeds to get that venture up and going. California, we hope also to expand in California, but they don't have regs yet in California, so not sure if that's going to happen this year or not. Vertically integrate the processing, which is the trick. That's what everyone wants to do. They want seed to sale, and so we need to add the distillation equipment and the processing equipment. Implement a global strategy. That might be a little aggressive at this point, but that's certainly something that we want to pursue. We do sell some of our CBD hemp flowers into Europe already, and they command quite a bit more money than they do here. Since the signing of the Farm Bill, the price of the CBD flower, a lot of people actually smoke this stuff as flower, has been moving up. So that's the most significant thing that we've noticed since the Farm Bill's been signed. The demand for the flower, the buds, they look just like marijuana, they smell just like marijuana, but they're rich in CBD and no THC. We have a number of strategic acquisitions that we're looking at again, more on the extraction side, distribution, brand building, that type of stuff. We're also working with some doctors in San Diego, working on some patents. We would like some IP. We know that these companies do a lot better when they own IP. Sales and distribution. We believe this to be a B2B business. We think some of our biggest clients will be, I think Coca-Cola is a little aggressive there, but Arizona Iced Tea actually does have a PO out. They're looking for product. Cliff Bar, they're looking for product. So I think the B2B is going to be the big story here. Bulk wholesale, same thing, B2B. We are developing our own in-house brand. We feel we need to be there again for that. Vertically integrated, and then white label products for other brands. Glassford Walker is who we've hired to help us build our brand. The name of the brand is Siskiyou. It represents the name of the mountain range that protects our valley in Southern Oregon. So that is our brand, and we're currently working with Glassford and Walker to develop the packaging and the story. Economics, they're all there. Our cost per acre, our yields per acre, revenue per acre. CBD, you can see that was this year, 111,000 per acre. I'm getting buzzed now too. So we have all the best advisors and partners that you can have. Grow with us. Current Series A round, 14 million Canadian, 10 million US, and it's going to go fast. Thanks very much.